It's kind of hard, but you get the point, right? Alright, guys. So I'm back after a year of posting that RELX video. So now I'll just give you a quick look at my vapes. So this is the Juul. This is the first one that I use after quitting smoking. No, actually I didn't quit. So next, the RELX, and this is the Geek Vape Aegis Mini, I think. I'm not sure. But anyway, so this video is about switching to the new RELX. I have it here, but first I'm gonna show you something that I want to share with you on how to open this without using any cutter or other objects. So basically it's just like this. You get the pod and you use this part of the vape. So what you do is put it on the side and try to flip it. This is hard. This is new. So when you're on the go, you can just do this. Yeah, like that. See? I'll do it again like this. It's kind of hard, but you get the point, right? So that's how you open this when you're on the go. Alright? So just quickly put that back without even, because I'm not gonna use it anyway. I'm gonna put everything aside now, and oh wait, one more thing. That's why I gave this up. It doesn't really work anymore because of the wire inside. It doesn't have power anymore because I'm gonna use a pencil or any pen to open this device like this. And just push it like that. So just push the device out. Okay, so here's the inside of the RELX. First gen. So as you can see, it's already cracked. So the problem with my old vape is that the wire inside is not connected anymore. That wire inside isn't connected anymore. So that gives power to your vape system. So it's not connected anymore. But every now and then I just flip it out and connect it to the thing there. That thing there. So it will still power on. But anyway, so what I have now is the RELX Infinity. So I think you guys already know about this, but this is my first time, so I'm just gonna unbox this anyway. So this is the RELX Infinity device. This is color black. So I just bought it a while ago. Good packaging. That's what it looks inside. Light on. The usual manuals inside. 7-day challenge. What is the 7-day challenge? 1 week, only your RELX. Just need your RELX, forget about ashtrays and lighters. I think we can do that. So those are just some advertising notes. Oh, this is the device. I thought it's pure black, but it says black. See? But it's kind of like a midnight black, bluish black. So that's a device. It's USB-C, as you can see, and it has a sleek logo there, and it's kind of light, and the grip is good. Unlike the other RELX, this material has a better finish than this one. This is like a prototype now. Okay, then the Juul. So this is the comparison, Juul versus the RELX Infinity and the RELX first gen. Right? This is black. This is not black. Okay. So what else do we have here? So the usual USB-C connector to charge your device, and I also got some pods. So I got this for 1,000 pesos. So it's like how much is this? It's like $20. So it's a pack of 5. I got this with a recommendation from a friend who pointed me out to RELX Club, relxtech.club/ph. I got the tropical palm round, so I think this is orange, then tangy purple. I think this has a great flavor. I think this is the orange one. This one is again, tropical. This is fizz, sunny sparkle, and fresh red. I got 2. This is the watermelon. All right. So I'm gonna first try. Just break this. I switched back to RELX because this was the other vape that I've been using lately, but I stopped because I think this is just too much for me. The vapor that is coming out from this is much thicker than the RELX. So that's why I switched back to RELX. So I'm just gonna put this. So this is the RELX Pod. I guess those who are watching me right now are watching me because they learned how to open the pods and fill it with other juices. So since this is my first time to use this RELX Infinity, I think I'm gonna make a video soon about how you refill this pod. Well, in my own way, experience. I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there that shows how you refill this, but maybe I can find another or better solution to do that, right? So just put it inside, just like that. Fancy. There's a lot of features that this Infinity version have. Anyway, I'm not gonna go through with the features, but yeah. So if you want to know more about this RELX pod or how to refill and dissect or open this pod, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below if you want to know more about the RELX Infinity device, and maybe soon I'll release another video on how to open this. All right, let's try this out. It's not working. Why? Do I have to pull this? Oh, okay. See, as you can see, this is my first time, so I should have pulled that out. Anyway, here we go. It's better. I missed this. Alright guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below. Baboosh!